Arbitrationagreements.org. When a dispute arises between two parties, it's important to find a way to resolve it before it escalates into a legal battle. Mediation is a common method of resolving disputes outside of the court system, and one possible outcome of mediation is a settlement. Before we go over what a mediation settlement is and how it can benefit you or your company, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important legal topics that can assist you in saving time and money. Now, let's get started. A mediator is a neutral third party who helps the parties to communicate and negotiate a settlement. During the mediation process, the mediator listens to both sides and helps the parties identify common ground and reach an agreement. A settlement is an agreement between the parties to resolve the dispute. It outlines the terms and conditions of the agreement, including any financial compensation, actions to be taken, and other important terms. Once the parties have reached a settlement, it becomes a binding contract between the parties. This means that both parties are legally obligated to follow the terms of the settlement. In some cases, the settlement may involve a payment of money from one party to the other. This payment is often referred to as a settlement payment or a settlement amount. It's important to note that a settlement is voluntary and requires the agreement of both parties. If the parties cannot reach a settlement, the dispute may need to be resolved in arbitration or another form of dispute resolution. So remember, a settlement is an agreement reached between two parties to resolve a dispute. It is a binding contract that outlines the terms and conditions of the agreement. So, what do you think of mediation settlements? Do they seem like something that could benefit you or your business? Drop a comment below and let us know. For more information, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice, but call us if you or your business want to open a new account or case. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you always receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you and your business succeed.